Hello students, welcome to our new session of our subject Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship. अपने पिछले वीडियो में हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के इन सभी टॉपिक्स को डिस्कस किया था, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, डेफिनेशन एंड मीनिंग ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। आज के इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ सोशो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ऑन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। क्या रोल होता है सोशो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स का, आज के इस टॉपिक में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर ऑन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, जिसमें सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने दिया आज का टॉपिक सोशल फैक्टर्स। सोशल फैक्टर्स में फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज देयर कास्ट एंड कम्युनिटी। इट इज़ सेड दैट सम एंटरप्रेन्योरल ट्रेड्स आर innate which can't be enhanced by imparting any amount of education, training and skill development programs। ये कहा गया है इसमें कि कुछ एंटरप्रेन्योर ट्रेड्स या क्वालिटीज़ ऐसी होती हैं जो इंटरनल हैं, इनेट है, विच कांट बी एनहांस्ड, जो कि किसी भी तरह की एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग और स्किल डेवलपमेंट से इंक्रीज नहीं की जा सकती हैं। दैट सम एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस ट्रेड्स आर ऑनेस्टी, इंटीग्रिटी, habit of being industrious. These are impossible. These cannot be inculcated in an individual by giving or providing any kind of education, training and skill development programs. So for example, जो कुछ एग्जांपल्स में उसमें देना चाहूँगा, फॉर एग्जांपल गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, these are found engaged in trade, business and profession in every corner of the world. So these point specifically highlights to these traits which are with which individuals are born in certain caste and communities. Some studies have proved that mostly entrepreneurs emerge in particular caste and communities. History also supports these views, जैसा मैंने अभी आपको बताया। एग्जाम्पल गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, these are some examples. So who are found engaged mostly in trade, business and profession in every corner of the world. So according to this theory, entrepreneurial talent is found in the blood of certain caste and community. It is said that these are God gift which one may inherit in the form of genes from his or her parents. These cannot be enhanced by imparting any training, education and skill development program. Some traits are being shared like honesty, integrity and habit of being industrious. Second factor is their family background, closely associated with caste and community, that is family background, which also plays an important role in the emergence of एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। हिस्ट्री इज़ फुल ऑफ सच एग्जाम्पल्स। हिस्ट्री बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जाम्पल से है, जैसे बिरला, जैसे टाटा, डालमिया, जैसे किर्लोस्कर फैमिली। दे हैव फैमिली ट्रेडिशन ऑफ बीइंग एंगेज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री, ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स। तो दिस इज़ द अनदर सोशल फैक्टर जो कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पर एक इफेक्ट करता है। दिस इज़ द सेकेंड पॉइंट। Third is their educational background. Educational background helps an individual to become an entrepreneur. Success stories are in abundance which go to prove that education, technical know-how play an important role in inducing a person to become an entrepreneur. इस फैक्टर के अकॉर्डिंग मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड एक इंडिविजुअल की हेल्प करती है that he should become or she should become an entrepreneur. Success stories are in abundance, जो ये प्रूव करती हैं, जो ये बताती हैं कि एक पर्सन की एजुकेशन और उसका टेक्निकल नो हाउ, all these play an important role in inducing a person to become an entrepreneur, and it may also be said that such individuals have greater potential to become successful entrepreneurs। ये obvious सी बात है कि ऐसा आदमी, ऐसा इंडिविजुअल जो कि एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करता है और जिसको टेक्निकल नॉलेज है कुछ, वो एक अच्छा एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकता है, प्रूव हो सकता है। Fourth one is their occupational background. A person with occupational background has greater potential of becoming a successful entrepreneur. He would be less hesitant and more confident as he has some experience of the occupation which he wants to start. ये एक प्रैक्टिकल बात है. एक ऐसा आदमी, एक ऐसा इंडिविजुअल who has some knowledge of or some experience of the occupation which he wants to start, definitely he will be more confident rather than a person who has no knowledge of all these things. So he has entrepreneurial abilities, skills and knowledge which foster him enterprising spirit, boldness and courage. तो ये बड़ा नेचुरल सा फैक्टर है कि कोई भी ऐसा आदमी जो एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड से, ऑक्यूपेशनल बैकग्राउंड से है, it is needless to say that a person who has some educational or occupational background will be less hesitant. He would be confident as he has some experience of the occupation. He has entrepreneurial abilities and which foster him enterprising spirit, boldness, courage and conviction, etc. Next point is technological development and innovation. Technological development and innovation play an important role is amply evident from the growth of information technology throughout the world. It has opened new avenues for the entrepreneurs. This बिल्कुल डेफिनेट सी बात है कि आज का जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट है, it has definitely opened new avenues for the entrepreneurs. According to Sumter, economic growth depends on the rate of expected technical process in the economic field, which in turn depends on the number of entrepreneurs in the society. So I would like to explain, I would like to say that if there is a good volume of technological development and innovation, definitely it will affect the like I have shared this thing, it depends on the number of entrepreneurs in the society, because due to the recent development or recent innovation in technological aspect, it has definitely opened new avenues for the entrepreneurs. And next is motivation. Motivation or ambition plays an important role in entrepreneurial development. Motivational needs make a man to innovate so that he can excel others. मोटिवेशन डेफिनेटली एक अच्छा रोल प्ले करता है. इट नीड्स मेक ए मैन टू इनोवेट, जिससे कि वो दूसरे लोगों को भी एक्सेल करे. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इट इज़ नीडलेस टू से दैट ए हाईली मोटिवेटेड इंडिविजुअल will become a better entrepreneur as compared to less motivated individual. So 6 points are there, like I would like to repeat. First is caste and community, second is family background, third is educational background, fourth is occupational background, next is technological development and innovation, and sixth one is motivation. All these social factor, other factor is their managerial abilities. An entrepreneur has to undertake production of goods and services. He has to take risk, organize the venture, introduce innovation, make decisions under certain uncertain conditions. तो आप देखेंगे कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए all these activities are required to perform, like he has to undertake production of goods and services. This is the very basic job of him. He has to take risk. अपनी पिछले वीडियोज़ में हम ये चीज़ क्लियर कर चुके हैं, डिस्कस कर चुके हैं दैट एन एंटरप्रेन्योर हैज़ टू टेक ए लॉट ऑफ रिस्क, ही हैज़ टू ऑर्गेनाइज द वेंचर, ही हैज़ टू इंट्रोड्यूस इनोवेशन, ही हैज़ टू मेक डिसीजंस अंडर ए लॉट ऑफ अनसर्टेन कंडीशंस. सो ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स रिक्वायर हाई लेवल ऑफ मैनेजरियल टैलेंट ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर if he wants to be successful. If the managerial abilities are absent in the entrepreneur, he will be failed or he will be unsuccessful. So managerial abilities are very important. A good entrepreneur should have all these type of managerial abilities so that he can operate his business successfully and in an effective way. Last is their migratory character. Migratory character indicates the tendency of an individual to migrate from one place to another place, particularly from his native place in search of employment. Obviously ये migratory character है, आप सभी लोग जानते हैं माइग्रेशन जिसमें एक आदमी एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर मूव करता है इन सर्च ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑब्वियसली. So individuals who belong to or who are with migratory character, they can take the advantage of opportunities available at other places, because when he visits to the other location, obviously he will get the opportunities in the environment, and he should take the advantage. He can take the advantage of all these available opportunities at other places. So by his nature of migratory character, an entrepreneur can grab the opportunities available at different locations, and he may prove to be a successful entrepreneur. So all these are social factors of socio-economic factor, role of socio-economic factors, and we have discussed 8 social factors which play an important role. Next topic is economic factors. We will discuss in our next video. Stay safe. Have a nice day.